Hello, my name is Anouk Dantuma, and in this video I will just show you what I did during my short-term scientific mission, which was titled Researching the Antimicrobial Effects and Application Areas of Bio-based Active Coatings for Paper-based Packaging Applications of Various Fresh Products. This STSM took place from 6th to 18th of March 2016. And it was a collaboration between my home institution, KCPK or Kenniscentrum Papier en Karton in the Netherlands, and the host institution where I went to, University of Algarve in Portugal, in the post-harvest group, which is led by Professor Maria Dulce Antunes. Before the start of the STSM, we collected several samples of active papers, and the main objective for this STSM was to evaluate the effect of these active papers on the quality of strawberry fruits. On one hand, we wanted to see to what extent the active papers are able to slow down the degradation or the spoilage process of these strawberries, and on the other hand, we were also curious to find out to what extent the active papers change the organoleptic properties of the strawberries, which include the appearance, the taste and the smell. So to prepare the samples, we bought some strawberries at the local grower and separated them into smaller conventional plastic strawberry containers with a piece of active paper on the bottom. And then we stored them in bigger crates in a cold room that was set at 4 degrees Celsius. The strawberries stayed there until we were ready to do the first round of testing, which was after 6 days. After 6 days and after 9 days of storage, the objective measurements were made. Objective measurements of quality were made based on 4 factors, which are weight loss, measured in percentage, the color, in lab scale, especially the lightness factor is very important here. We also measured firmness in kilograms and sugar content in percentage bricks. For the subjective measurements, a taste panel was held after 9 days of storage, in which 13 people participated. The participants were asked to evaluate appearance, smell, taste and mouthfeel of the strawberries on a scale from 1 to 7, in which 1 is really bad and 7 is really good. At the end of the survey, they were also asked to provide a general appreciation of each of the strawberry samples on the same scale. So let's continue with the results. One of the most striking results that we found are those for the weight loss measurements. As you can see here in this graph, the control sample is all in the top, the blue line, and then the other active papers are below that. And as you can see that for all but 2 of the active papers, there's a really big reduction in weight loss achieved. And this weight loss amounts up to 40 to 50%, which is really a lot and visible too, because the participants of the taste panel gave much higher scores for appearance of strawberries that were packed together with a piece of active papers. Well, for the other measurements that we did in the lab, we did not see any really clear differences between the active papers and the strawberries that were, well, the control sample. But we did get some clear results in the taste panel. And they were not really the results we were hoping for, because what people said or wrote down in their evaluation forms is that the taste and the smell of strawberries were really not so nice. They were affected negatively by the papers, the active papers, and which is likely because the active papers were treated with a coating based on essential oils. And for us this was really just an eye-opener, because the taste panel showed that these effects on taste and smell really are a deal breaker. So I think what we can conclude from the STSM is that the coatings that we have been working with, or the active papers that we have been working with here, need to be developed further in such an extent that they can have no changing effects on the taste and the smell of the strawberries. So this will be what we're going to be working on next. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you like watching it, and I just want to say thank you to Cost for giving me the opportunity to go to Portugal and to do these tests, because it was really a new experience for me and I really enjoyed it. So thank you very much.